Hey everyone! In this video, today I'm going to show you how to bypass Vimeo privacy settings. Vimeo privacy settings are designed to protect creators' content and control who can view their videos. Without wasting time, let's walk through the right way to handle this. First, go to the Vimeo video link and check the privacy message. If the video is password protected or private, you'll usually see a prompt explaining the access restriction. Next, click the Request Access option if available, or contact the video owner directly. Send a polite message asking for permission to view the content. Then, if you're the video owner, go to your Vimeo dashboard, select your video, click Settings, and open the Privacy tab. From there, choose who can watch your video, such as Public, Unlisted, Password, or Only Me. Finally, customize sharing options by enabling specific domains or private links so only the intended audience can watch securely. Thanks for watching.